Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Ka Voice of the People Party mentagasni ka arterik uleber arjar arpun rio, kala terwai ka Kyrtong jong Dr. Batskhem Myrboh ubade unong aiktien ka party, kum Kyrtong na benta ka Lok Sabha by election na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Kani ka by election, kalami ahdien ka jinklat kinsan jong MP ka Shillong, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, ha ka khatkhandai tering urempang arajar arpun rio. Ha kekirwo unong aiktien ke parti Dr. A.W. Rani, ulaong baka election committee ha ka arterik uleber arajar arpun rio, kala IT rejing terwa Shaka State Executive Committee ban Batskhem ya ke Kyrtong Dr. Batskhem Myrboh Kum Kyrtong jong ke parti. Hashwa kani ha ka arpunyo terik urempang Presiden ke VPP uba Arden Mila Besayomwen ula pinpa baka parti kedan kejing Kirmens Kem ban bat biang ya ke Shillong Lok Sabha sin ha kani ke by election da ka baong ba ka parti ke smothu ya ka mon jong ki pat ba bat ka ngain bakandang la ban bat ya kani ke constituency.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.